All right, Kenzie, we're on our way to Rope Swing Moab. We're gonna be jumping off a cliff. Perfectly good cliff, solid ground. Jumping yourself right off. How you feeling right now?
I got the jitters.
You got the jitters, all right?
Jitters.
It's okay to have the jitters.
Mama, what do you think about your daughter jumping off?
Oh, I'm terrified, but super excited for her.
What
I'm
if
excited
she
for
gets
the side by side.
Yeah, side by side is right? Gonna be good. What if she's nervous and she needs somebody to push her off?
Not me.
You're not doing it?
Not me.
I got your back, kid. Don't worry. I'll push you off.
How about you just have the workers, the guys there do it?
That's
Oh my.
no,
But I
Kenzie,
think
you're
the
gonna
only
jump.
thing I'm scared about is like not being able to hold my breath and like falling and everything.
Yeah.
It's a very fast fall.
Yeah, it happens quick.
I'm gonna do a front flip.
You're gonna do a front flip? How many flips do you think you're gonna do? Just try to get one?
6, 7.
Oh no, she just did it.
You were the one who started it, so don't even.
Oh, never. All right. Well, we're on our way up. Hopefully she has a good time. And we're going to enjoy this view on the way up to get to our side-by-side. What'd you think of your daughter jumping? Proud of her?
Beyond. I'm afraid of what's gonna come next though.
Yeah.
But everybody's amazed by her and I'm super proud of her.
That's great.
I mean, thank you for helping
Of course.
us make her like this.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
Have a good time.
I think I've lost about 10 pounds in sweat.